Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Welding Machine. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Welding Welding Machine. The welding machine has a knob to support the needs of different current adjustments. Current adjustment range is 20 to 250 A. Pure copper core cable ensure a stable current output. LCD digital display is easy to read, even the novices can use it proficiently. Number 4. Hitbox Welding Machine. Simple design, beautiful, small size, lightweight, easy to carry. Gun, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, portable plug, ready to use. Number 3. VEVO or Welding Machine. Power efficiency, 85%, duty cycle, 60%. A full digital control system, and dual digital display, can realize precise control, and stable arc length, during welding. Number 2. Reboot Aluminum Welding Machine. Determines the control of the operating mode, and offers extended control over the current flow. 30A breaker, suggested for 220V, 50A breaker, suggested for 110V. Number 1. Andeli Aluminum Welding Machine. There are 4 modes at the same time: Pulse TIG, HF TIG, Cold Pulse, Cold Welding, suitable for aluminum, stainless steel and thinner metals. This is a cold welding, aluminum welding machine, with a voltage of 110V and 220V. The current is 200 amp,